As we all know, fake ICOs and token launch campaigns have been a black mark in the crypto industry's growth. They were causing investors to be skeptical about investing in new crypto projects. However, token launchpads have solved this issue greatly by enabling investors to invest in projects that are verified for authenticity. In this video, I will take you through the features and functionalities of coinfactory's Whitelabel IDO Token Launchpad. This whitelabel platform lets you launch your new IDO Token Launchpad product in a few days. We developed this platform to be end-to-end customizable so that you can change the look and feel of your product to match your branding and business requirements. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and offers a seamless interface for businesses to launch their crypto project. Let's take a look at the platform. This is the demo Token Launchpad platform. From the home screen, users can navigate to see upcoming token launches by the Launchpad's native crypto token or stake tokens. The home page lists all the token projects. Users can filter them based on their statuses or even search here to find projects. Here, you can see the token purchase tiers. You can offer additional benefits to users who purchase more tokens from the platform. The more tokens are purchased, the higher the tier category. Completed projects can be seen in this section. Information on completed projects, the total raised capital, return on investments, unique participants, and period are displayed here. The home page can also have explanatory articles and guides to help your customers to get started with the platform. You can access the project details page by clicking on a listed project. Here you can see detailed information about the project, token details, token sales stage, project's fund goals, allocation details, and swap rate. From here, users can connect their MetaMask wallet to the platform, and once you approve the smart contract transaction in the connected wallet, you can purchase the tokens. Your wallet balance, options to purchase more tokens, and exchange rates are displayed in this tab. The tier tab will show you your current tier levels and details regarding different tiers, benefits, etc. Now, let's look at the Launchpad's admin dashboard. You can easily set up your admin account by registering with your email address. Once the email verification is done, you'll be able to choose your admin role from the screen. This admin dashboard is built with all the features and functionalities you need to run a successful launchpad. You can see all the projects listed on the platform from the Project Management tab. You can easily switch to active projects or use the search box to find the exact project that you're looking for. To add a new project, click on the New Project button and add the required information such as project details, wallet details, token details, social media links, etc. You can upload the project logo and thumbnail, add whitelist details, whitelist tasks, and social media tasks. By clicking on a project, you can access the Project Management dashboard. Here you can see every project detail, including the project owner details. By clicking here, you can access the Edit tab, where you can edit graphics, project details, token details, whitelist tasks, and social media tasks. Admin can also cancel the project if the project doesn't meet the listing conditions. By clicking this tab, you can update or edit the whitelisting dates so that platform users can participate in the token sale. After reviewing the details, you can confirm the Launchpad listing and add the token sale window period. Once the Launchpad listing is confirmed, you can start the project fundraising. From the Whitelisting tab, you can view all the whitelisting applications, their application statuses, KYC statuses, and whitelisting statuses. You can filter the applications or do bulk whitelisting by uploading CSV files. You can see the applicant's task completions and basic details by clicking on an application. From the Master Wallet tab, you can access the recent transactions in the Launchpad. Here you can see the current number of projects, investors, and fund balance available in the Launchpad. You can access the Launchpad transactions from the Transaction tab. You can use filters and download transaction reports from there. The IDO Participation tab provides details of the investors participating in the IDO Launchpad. You can view their wallet addresses, tier level, KYC status, whitelist status, and allocation amount here. From the Staking tab, you can control the settings for the staking period and unstake penalty. From the Admin Management tab, you can add admins and sub-admins to manage different departments of your platform. The interface provides a seamless option to approve requests, add new admins, and disable admin accounts. You can manage the admin permissions for different departments from the Roles and Permissions tab. You can allow or deny permissions for project management, whitelisting task management, IDO participation management, analytic dashboard access, content management, and account management. The platform has many more features and functionalities such as content management, detailed analytics and visualizations, investor management, settings and notifications management, and more. The Launchpad also offers an exclusive dashboard for project owners. You can easily set up your project owner account by accessing the dashboard link and temporary login credentials given to you by the admin. You'll be provided options to register as a new project owner, or you can register with your pre-approved account if you're offered one. In both cases, you have to complete one-step verification procedure, followed by submission of your project proposal in which project details and token details have to be mentioned. Once you're done with the registration, you'll be able to access your project dashboard. This project dashboard has all the features and functionalities you need to manage a project successfully. Now let us connect to your wallet. You can choose from different wallets from the drop-down list. For this demo, I'll use MetaMask. The next step would be selecting your token from this tab. From the Project Management tab, you can see all of your projects. You can easily switch between active and pending projects or use the search box to find the exact project you're looking for. To add a new project, click the Create Project button and add the required information, such as project details, whitelisting tasks, and social media tasks, and submit for approval. Clicking on a project gives you all the information on the particular project. You'll find your project and wallet details, token details, whitelisting dates, whitelisting tasks, and social media tasks. The Manage Project Details tab will take you to the Edit page, where you can edit the project thumbnail, logo, project name, wallet address, token details, targets, etc. The Settings tab on the Project Owner dashboard lets you manage your profile. You can update your profile picture, email and wallet addresses, etc. The Settings tab also has a designated option for changing your password, where you can update your password hassle-free. Overall, the application is built with all the features and functionalities you need to run a successful IDO Token Launchpad. For this demo, only key features and functionalities were showcased. As said earlier, the entire platform is end-to-end customizable, and you can add more features and functionalities to the platform to meet your specific business requirements. Please click on the link in the description for more details and reach out to us today if you are interested in a full demo of the Whitelabel DeFi lending application.